Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of improvements on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve improvements on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click here in this app. As you see in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.